tackle fraud and streamline toll payments, the National Payments Corporation of India and the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways have rolled out significant changes to the FASTag system that is set to kick in from today. Now, under the new rules, if your FASTag has been inactive for over 60 minutes before crossing the toll and stays inactive for 10 minutes after, the transaction will be declined with an error. Now, these changes are part of a broader push to tighten the FASTag validation process. Users need to be proactive, checking their FASTag balance, ensuring their KYC details are up to date, and preventing blacklisting due to insufficient funds. Kritika, coming back to you, this is of course a rule to be curbing fraud is what we get. Is there a thin line here which you can help our viewers better understand what this means?
Well, Nivena, we're also learning that if there is insufficient balance in the commuter's FASTag account, the toll operator will be penalized for it. However, if the transaction takes more than, and if that in fact goes unchecked by the toll operator, but if the transaction takes more than 15 minutes to be processed, then that is when the commuter will also be penalized and an additional fare will also be charged upon him. So the basic idea here with these new FASTag rules is that people need to ensure that their accounts are active, that it has sufficient balance as well, and that a lot of times people recharge it later or while they just approach the toll or just pass the toll, in fact, spot. Now what is being learned through these guidelines is beforehand itself it is being advised to keep an account. This is coming in light of how month on month increase in percentage of in fact, the FASTag usage is also going up. The toll that is being collected through FASTag has also been recorded at an increase. However, fraud is also something that needs to be curbed, and this is also something that had been under consideration by the Ministry of Road and Transport. And now we're seeing this rollout of the new laws, but it will only be after a while of its operation when we will understand where that fine line in fact draws and whether or not there will be some in fact increased confusion because of this. The idea is to streamline it and to ensure that there are no delays as well, because that can also cause even longer snarls at the toll operators. But the basic idea is that the commuters as well as the toll operators need to be very clear that there needs to be sufficient account, because later on we're also learning that different national highway expressway as well networks will be completely connected with FASTags. This is something that will also be used for parking in different spots as well, in order to promote a more national one mobility sort of network that is being aimed by the Road Transport Ministry. So it remains to be seen how it actually unfolds. Over to you.
All right, Kritika. In fact, as you try to draw more perspective and clarity for us, stay with me because you're clearly tracking more important developments for us this morning. So I'm going to come back to you as far as that is concerned.